On this new short quick video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat login error. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager. On this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you wanna do is scroll until you find Snapchat and then click on it. Right here, as you can see, click on this force stop option to stop the app from running, and then click on data usage. Make sure that all these options here are enabled. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and click on clear cache. Go back again, and now what you want to do next is go back to the settings of your phone, go to the wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it again, and now reopen Snapchat and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.